Welcome to Crocheting with ZITELLE. Today we're going to learn how to crochet into the back bump of the chain. The back bump, or also called the back ridge loop, is the loop in the middle of the stitch on the back side of the chain. This is our preferred technique for working in the starter chain. Some people like to go through the center of the chain, which is fine, but I prefer to use the back bump for the first row. Crocheting in the back ridge loop leaves two loops at the bottom of the fabric, creating a look similar to the top two loops of the fabric. It also provides the cleanest looking edge, an edge that looks like the top edge when a project is done. In my opinion, crocheting through the top loop of the chain leaves a tighter edge, where if you do your first row through the back bump, you have more of a stretch. So let's get started. Twist the chain towards you, where you'll see your first back bump. Insert your hook into the back bump, yarn over, pull through the chain, leaving two loops left on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. And there you have it, your first crocheting through the back bump of the chain. Okay, keep going. Insert your hook through the back bump, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through both. Now, I like to rest the back bump on my pointer finger and then use my fingernails. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. But whatever you find easiest and is comfortable to you, go through the back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through both. Make sure it doesn't twist back to the front. You want to stay on the back. Back bump. Ooh, sometimes it'll be a little harder to get through. Yarn over, go through, pull through both. Keep going. Okay, go through the back bump. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through both. I tend to crochet tighter, so sometimes it makes a difference on how easy I can get my hook through the back bump. Because sometimes you can just wiggle your hook through and you don't need to use your fingernail. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through both. So at the end, you'll notice that the top is the same as your bottom and you have a stretchier feel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. If you have questions, we'll answer them. If you have comments, we'll read them. See you next time.